To boost your visual prowess, in this tutorial, we will walk you through the simple steps to update your AMD Radeon graphics card drivers. Whether you are a gamer, content creator, or simply want optimal performance, keeping your GPU drivers up to date is crucial. Join us to ensure your AMD GPU is running at its best, unlocking the latest features and improvements. Step 1. Right-click on the desktop and select AMD Radeon software. Step 2. In the Radeon software, click on the Settings Gear icon. Step 3. Choose System from the menu, then select Software. Step 4. Check on Click for updates to see if a new driver is available. Step 5. If an update is found, follow the prompts to download and install it. Step 6. Restart your computer if prompted after the installation is complete.